Hi friends! Today we are going to draw a butterfly. I'm actually going to show you a new method that I just learned myself, which is called the Y method. We're going to start with the large letter Y, like so. I'm just going to draw these lines for our letter Y. You'll make it as big as you can or as small as you'd want. But I'm going to make it here, and then we're going to draw curves coming from the top of the Y, going into the Y like so. So we'll start here, and then you're going to curve it in, and that creates the large wings of the butterfly. And then for the bottom wings, we're going to draw a smaller curve from the here to the end, like so. And we're going to do that again on the other side. We're going to curve it, make a small curve from the end and going over to the other side and to connect it just like that. And remember, your butterfly does not have to be perfect. The lines don't have to be perfect. Have fun, be creative. And right here, I'm just going to draw the head of the butterfly. You could just do that with the circle. Let's draw the antennas. One going here. We'll do a little point there. We'll draw another antenna on this side, like so. And then butterflies, they have patterns. You know, there's lines. You can get creative with the colors. You can get creative with the pattern. So I'm going to draw a pattern with the line going out here. And I'm just actually going to trace the shape of the wing. So that's what I did there, just drawing lines to trace the shape of the wings on the inside, and that creates a pattern. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. That's how you create a pattern. So for the middle, let's see here. What could I put right here? I think I'm going to add a line here, just a little curve right here. And just have fun, create your own patterns. You can either follow along with me or you can do your own. Let's try putting a line here and put a couple of lines in that wing like so. And because I'm creating a pattern, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So a line here and a line here. And then we're going to curve that around. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to trace the pattern just like I did up top. So right here, I'm going to just draw curves or some loops, just like I did at the top, right in the middle. And then let's see, I'll put a little circle there, a circle here, and I think I'll put two more circles at the top, maybe right here and right here. Right here, I'm just gonna draw the end of the body, and I'm going to, let's darken and make the middle a little bit thicker to show the body of the butterfly. So I'm just going to fill that in some more so we can see the body of the butterfly, like so. And there we have it. There's our butterfly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, be creative, have fun. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share with a friend. And until next time, friends.